In this video, I will introduce to you frequency curves with class intervals. Look at this table. This table shows monthly utility bills for 24 families in a month. And look at all these numbers. Are there any repeating numbers here? If you look at every single data, there are no repeating data. So how then? We will actually group them in this thing called class intervals. It's something like grouping. This is our frequency table for class intervals. Do you still remember this sign and this sign? This sign means less than or equal to, whereas this one is just less than. So we're going to group them like this. The first group will be from 0 to less than 50. Second would be inclusive of 50 but less than 100, and so forth. So for example, if you look at this, 111.03, it belongs to between 100 and less than 150. So I will strike 1 here and strike it off. How about for this, 150.40? Where will it belong to? It belongs to this group. Okay, and I'll strike it off. Another way to do it is to see what is between 0 and 50, and I'm going to mark out every single one of them. But if I look at this table, there's no bills between 0 and 50, so I'll just write nothing on it. But if I take a look at the next one, between 50 and 100, I can see 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and I'll strike them off. So I can do all in one shot. Let's fill up the rest. Now I fill up my frequency, and just to check, what is the total frequency? 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 would actually give me 24. And does it tally with what they have? Yes, there are 24 families. So this is how you create a frequency table with class intervals. Let's come to the last question. John and Amy's heartbeat per minute were 78 and 85 respectively. I need to add these two pieces of data to the tally column and then later find my total frequency. So, where would 78 belong to? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? It will belong to 2 because 78 is between 70 and 80. So, I have to add 1 to here. Now, how about 85? Where does 85 belong to? 85 will definitely belong to between 80 and 90. So, put 1 here, and now I'm done. Let's fill up the total frequency here by counting the number of sticks. 2, 9, 16, 10, and 1. As a good habit, let's find what's the total frequency. 2 plus 9 plus 16 plus 10 plus 1 will give me 38. This tells me that there are 38 students here. So we're done with part A. Now we move on to part B. Find the percentage of students who have more than 80 heartbeats per minute. Which category satisfies more than 80? That will be group 3, group 4, and group 5. So I will add up 16 plus 10 plus 1. These are my number of students who have more than 80 heartbeats per minute over the total, 38. And since I want to find percentage, I need to times 100%. And that will give me the answer, 71, 1 over 19%.